Expert tips for dealing with your VW oil pressure warning light. Illuminated oil pressure warning light can bring great inconvenience to anyone. So, what exactly does the oil pressure light indicate, and what can you do to get rid of this light? Let's find out. Volkswagen oil light illumination reasons and fixes. Oil light of your VW can start flashing due to any of the following reasons. Reason 1: engine oil level going down. This is perhaps the most obvious reason for the oil pressure light to light up in a car. Oil level may go down either due to leakage or high consumption rate. Solution: check for the source of the leak. Check the piston rings, gaskets, and seals. Upon the detection of the leak, fix it immediately. 2. Got a clogged oil filter? Oil pressure that is considered ideal is within the range of 25 to 65 psi. A clogged filter can cause your vehicle's oil pressure to fall outside the above limits. As a result, the oil light may come on. Solution: evaluate the condition of the oil filter. If it has reached its saturation limit, replace it. 3. Broken oil pump. Centrifugal force generated by the pump plays a critical role in oil circulation. A faulty pump may trigger a domino effect, causing the oil pressure to drop. This will prompt the oil light to come on. Solution: the fuel pump is the heart of a vehicle engine lubrication system. Make sure yours never gives up. 4. Clogged oil passages. Accumulation of unwanted particles may block oil passages. This can cause oil pressure to fluctuate erratically and the oil light to come on. Solution: clean out your engine oil passages. The only solution. 5. Not changing the oil regularly. So, you haven't changed your VW's oil for quite a while. This may prompt the oil pressure light to illuminate. Solution: change your VW's oil as per the recommendation given in the owner's manual. Wrapping up. VW's oil pressure warning light flashing? Reach out to a local car repair shop to get the issue fixed.